Hello, dear Scorpio. I hope you all are doing really good. This is Falguni, and I'm here to do your October monthly reading. And of course, this is a general reading, so it will not resonate with all of you. It is for Scorpio, Sun, Moon, and Rising. So be mindful of this. Do not waste your energy writing comments like this is not resonating and this is nonsense. I have already given this that this is a general reading. If you want to book a personal reading with me, you may mail me on my email address given in the description box below. Okay, so in case this doesn't resonate with you, don't try to force this reading onto you. Okay, that's my advice to all of you. It won't make a difference otherwise. Okay, however, let's dive into your love reading for the month of October. Let's see what's coming towards you for love in the month of October, Scorpio. Let's see what's coming towards you. Let's see what's coming towards you, Scorpio. For October, let's see what's coming towards you, Scorpio. For October, let's see what's coming towards you for October. Okay, we find out in love. Okay, so we have, oh, beautiful energy, but again, okay, so you have the Lovers card straight up as the first card. Beautiful. And again, there is some sort of experiences that are going through. You're learning from it at the same time. Also, you're keeping yourself busy with the ordinary, mundane routine of your life. So that is also there. What is the Lovers card here for? That is, you are doing you have been in some sort of relationship, or you are I mean, not you exactly, it can be the other person also you're dealing with. They might also have some choices in love, or they are, they feel an instant connection with you. But I like to see what is the experiences that you're going through at the moment. First, let's clarify the Lovers card. Let's see what is the Lovers card about. Let's see what's the Lovers card about. What's the Lovers card about? What's the Lovers card about? What's the Lovers card about? Please clarify. Okay. Okay, so just like I told you, you have amazing energy. You're beautiful. Two of Cups, Ace of Cups, and Sun. What else do you need? I mean, everything is there on the table, and so much happiness, so much love, and so much emotions. I mean, this person is head over heels, I would say, in love with you. So let's see what is the experiencing card about. I mean, why is he in? I mean, what is the learning that he is going through, or what is the thing that he is waiting for? Let's see. Let's figure out, clarify the experiencing card and see what is the experience is about. What is the experience is about? Okay. Okay. So here you have some sort of options that this person has, like I just told you. Though he feels intense connection, I mean, he is trying to sneak away. This person is trying to sneak away, and there is a lack of equal give and take in this situation because of this, because he is too much into illusions. He wants everything that is there on the table. He wants this also, that also. He is open to various options, and maybe he also practically has options, and so he's acting in a sneaky manner. He doesn't want to be, tied down to one single option. He wants to explore the field. So take it how it goes. And so he is going through that experience, or maybe he did this in the past, and now he wants to come correct and offer stability and equal give and take in the situation, because now he realizes that he has that immense love and emotions for you, because this person is really head over heels. There is a lot of emotion, I mean, from both the person's side. Earlier, maybe they decided to walk away, or you walked away from the situation because of instability, and there was lack of commitment. That is what I feel. What is the ordinariness card here for? What is the ordinariness card here for? Let's find out what's the ordinariness card here for. Okay, what is the ordinariness card here for? Okay, so you are basically, this person is basically feeling left out in the cold because of his kind of behavior, or because of someone in the situation who behaved in a very sneaky manner. One of the person is feeling left out, and because of that, one of the person is forced to go into a hermit phase. Hermit phase, you know that you are very reflective, very meditative, and you always continuously strive to be alone, ignoring the world around you, and you try to focus on yourself to bring in clarity, to bring in healing within yourself, and you gain a lot of wisdom over time as well for that, from that. And similarly, so there is a queen of wands in the picture. So one of them is very attractive, very attractive because of that person. Maybe the other person is forced to go on a hermit mode because that person didn't want to settle down. Okay, so you need to take it how it resonates. Now I see that this person realizes this and they are in head over heels in love with you. I mean, there is even if he doesn't claim or he doesn't express, he does have, or he or she, the one of the persons, or both of you, I would say, have a lot of emotions and love for each other. Like this is meant to be. If you really try to work this out, this can be a wonderful connection, because the lovers card and the two of cups are not easy to come, come out so easily. They do not come out so easily. Okay. Okay. Now let me just arrange the cards and I will see for, I will check for the, okay. Let's see what's coming towards you, Scorpio, for in your career path for the month of October. Let's see what's coming towards you in your career path for the month of October, Scorpio. Let's see what's coming towards you in your career path for the month of October. Let's see what's coming towards you in your career path for the month of October. Okay, so I see some sort of stress, struggles that are coming towards you, and you're trying to weigh the pros and cons, and you're trying to bring in stability in the situation. That is, balance in the situation. So that is what I see in general that is coming towards you for the month of October. Let's see what is the stress about that you have. Let's see, Scorpio, what is the stress about? Okay, what is the stress here about? What is the stress that you're going through, Scorpio, in your career path? Let's see. What is the stress? What is the stress here about? What is the stress that you're going through? Let's find out. Okay. So you have a lot of, okay. So there is some independent, you are trying to achieve some sort of independence and you're working really hard for that. And someone is trying to be too controlling also in the situation. It can be a, family figure, someone from the family who is trying to pressurize you to do certain things that they want you to excel in, and they are continuously, pressurizing you to work really hard. That is what I see here. What are the struggles? So that's why that is causing you a lot of stress, because someone is constantly sitting on your head, and maybe they want you good, but you are somewhat not liking this, because this creates an unnecessary burden on you. That is what I feel. And let's see what are the struggles that you're going through. Okay, I'm sorry, I dropped a card here. Let me see what are the struggles that you're going through. I mean, this month of October, what are the struggles here that are showing up? Let's see what are the struggles. Okay. Okay, so you have some sort of waiting energy. You are looking towards something that will, benefit you for generations to come. You are manifesting that kind of wealth. Okay, and you want to take action towards it, but again, there is a lot of waiting energy. Like you have to invest or put in your efforts at this point of time, and it is not giving you the results immediately, or it is taking longer time than usual. So you have to like wait, you are waiting patiently. You feel that this is a lot of struggle because you have already done the work and everything, but the results are not yet there, and you feel that this is like too much to handle. Okay, what is the integration that you're looking for? Let's see, what is the integration that you're looking for, Scorpio? What is the integration that you're looking for? What is the integration that you're looking for, Scorpio? Let's find out. Let's find out. Okay, let's find out. Integration is you have to like, you have to basically you are looking for an integration on a level that you are undecisive at this point, so you're weighing the pros and cons. That is, you are confused between two paths. I mean, you have already started working on something, you've already invested your time on something, and you're waiting for it to grow and everything, but again you feel that there is some unrequired attachment that comes with it. There is some sort of toxicity that comes with it, and but you or your family or this does give you some long lasting future foundations. It gives you a stability, it helps you to build a stable home for some, and also it is a long lasting thing. But again you feel that you are too much codependent on this. That's why you want to explore some other options as well. You are codependent on this, and this is not giving you results on time. That is, it is taking longer than usual, and you're very codependent on this, and this is creating toxicity inside of you, building stress day by day, and you feel it's a lot of struggle. So you are wanting to explore some other option and weigh the pros and cons and then bring in balance in the situation. That is what I see for you, Scorpio. Okay, now we'll let me just arrange the cards, and then we'll just see your overall guidance for the month of October. Your overall guidance for the month of October. What is the overall guidance for Scorpio for the month of October? Let's see what is the overall guidance for Scorpio for the month of October. What is the overall guidance for Scorpio for the month of October? Overall guidance for Scorpio for the month of October. Let's find out. Let's find out. Okay. Okay, you have the Lover's energy again, and beautiful. I mean, no, it did not come out for you, did it? I think it came out for you in your love reading. Yes. So the Lover's energy again signifies that your love situation here is divinely guided. One, and secondly, you need to focus on exploring the options also in terms of your career. If it is in terms of your career, you need to explore the other options as well, weigh the pros and cons, and go for what your heart's calling is. Okay, do not be stuck in a negative pattern with something that is not giving you results as expected, or it is much delayed. You cannot delay your growth and progress by sitting on one single thing for a long time. You can invest your energies on other things as well in the meantime, till you wait for that to happen. Okay, so that is what I have for you, Scorpio. I will see you soon in my next reading. Till then, stay safe, stay blessed, stay happy. Thank you. Namaste.